Hi everyone, I'm here to help you how to create a website. Let's start. Click the Mozilla, then type wix.com on the search box. Enter. Now, click the Start Now button. You can use your account on Facebook or Google account. For me, I choose my Google account. So, type your email. Then your password. Log in. Now, choose what kind of website do you want to create. Let's choose blog. Then click Start with Wix Editor. What kind of template do you want? Click Edit. Just wait for a while. Now, if you want to change your background, just click Background. Just like this. Now, choose. If you need to change the text, just click the button Edit Text. When you are done editing your website, then click Save. Click Save and Continue. Click Done. Then click Publish. Done. And that's how to create a website. Thanks for watching.